if you're looking for businesses in Wisconsin, we're here to help. We're going to show you how to get that data from the Wisconsin Secretary of State. We're going to show you how to use their Secretary of State search. And then if you're getting that data in an automated fashion, if you want it quicker and more automated to build into your software, we're going to show you how to get that via Postman and SDK if you're using any kind of API. All right, Wisconsin right here, they have okay amount of information, no officer information, no organization documents, no industry, no state of formation. Okay, the data from Wisconsin is just okay. Their searches seems like it has a bunch of stuff on here. Like you can search by entity type, and the date is the cool part, right? You can search with the formation date. It's kind of a ghetto looking search, a little bit older. Let's go find an active one here. Restored to good standing. So like I said, we have a status. Yep, we have a registered agent. No other information. We can't get their documents. There's no officer information. It's all pretty bare bones here on this site. Now here's the Cobalt Intelligence portal. You can come in here to test the data. You can get via Postman, you can get via API, and you're going to come over here. You're going to pass in the business name and the state, and this way you can kind of test, and you'll see it come back in a nice JSON format like this. There we go. But like I said, bare bones, not a ton of information there. Now let's go over to Postman, and we'll show you how to use this. Wisconsin's WI. You're going to send, and it's going to be that same kind of information. Just this URL is where you're going to use every time. Pass in a search query, which will be the business name, and the state will be your Wisconsin, right, or whatever state you're using. The headers, you're going to put x-API-key with a value here of API key, and then all that information down here. So you can see it came back. Now let's go over to the JavaScript SDK. If you're a Node.js user, this is probably the way you want to do it. It is what we use, and then we'll send it here. You'll just import this via npm, and you'll initialize it with new, pass in the API key, and then you're going to go sosapi.get business details, and you're going to pass in the name and the state. Those are the required fields. You can also do things like pass in desire for a screenshot. Like, hey, I would like to see a screenshot for this business. Well, here it is right there. So you can see that information. You can prove you came there and check this. It has the registered agent information, all of that information right there.